The Flaming Youth cocktail. Could it be a modern classic? Super popular here at the 18th Amendment. You want to see the recipe? Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. So I have the menu here at the 18th Amendment, and I wanted to maybe do a few videos of cocktails that we create, not just classics and everybody else's. And the first one that I want to do is a drink called the Flaming Youth. It was created by Lewis Batt here at the 18th Amendment. He's also the manager at our sister bar, Manhattan Bar. And this has been really, really popular with all of our customers. And what does it say on our menu? It is passionate, seductive. This cocktail will entice your youthful side to come out and play. Tell you what, we've just got out of COVID. We can now have 50 people here at the 18th Amendment Bar with the lifting of restrictions. So if anything, we want everyone to come out and play. We might as well do it with the Flaming Youth. So I want to make a video with maybe 3 or 4 of 18th Amendment's cocktails. So for those of you that are our customers here in Geelong and throughout Australia, comment below, what are some of the cocktails that you come and drink at the 18th Amendment that you would like to put on our 18th video? So the first ingredient that we're going to use is a dry gin. I'm going to use a London Dry Style by Widgers. Jason Williams, he is a Aussie that's over in Singapore at the moment doing great things, and he's brought out an equally great gin. 30 mils or 1 ounce. If you can't get Widgers, which hopefully you can in the country that you're in, use a really good quality London Dry Style. Next up is 10 mils of a Elderflower Liqueur. We use the Fiorente in our menu here at the 18th Amendment. However, we're having a few issues getting it at the moment, and just as delicious is the Saint Germain. So we're going to do 10 mils. Next up, we want 7.5 mils of Apricot Brandy. I'm using the Decaiper. Then he wanted to add another element of sweetness, 7.5 mils of agave syrup or nectar. We are using Crawley's. Everyone around the world knows who Jason Crawley is. He's the man. I hear the guys have just brought out a dirty olive brine too. So check out Crawley's if you want some really good quality dirty olive brine for your dirty martinis. Then 30 mils of fresh lime juice that we squeezed earlier on today. Then a couple dashes, or I'm going to use a couple drops of the Bitterman's hopped grapefruit bitters. We also use the Fee Brothers grapefruit bitters for this cocktail. Add some ice and give it a good shake. I'm going to double strain into a chilled Angie Camorra glass. And then Lewis decided to add a little bit of a really good quality Blanco Tequila. I'm going to use Trumba. I'll do about 10 mils. Just float it on top. It's really going to be good when it hits those taste buds. And for the garnish, we're using just a dehydrated lemon wheel. That is the Flaming Youth. Let's see why it's so popular here at the 18th. Looks great. Wow. So refreshing, so many different dimensions of flavor. That tequila on top, I don't even know why I thought of that, but it works really, really well. Great job there, Lewis. Wow, hell, let me try some more. Yeah, the Apricot Brandy, the Agave works really, really well together as well. We're changing the menu. I don't know if this is staying on, but we are going to do a little hidden menu, and I think this should stay on there. So guys, give this a try. Let us know, is it good enough to be a modern classic? See you again soon. Please subscribe and let's talk drinks.